Hi guys, in this video we will unbox and review this gaming mouse DELL Alienware W550. It is a predecessor of the current Alienware W510M series, which you can buy right now on the Amazon for under $80. This mouse has lightning fast response speed and sensitivity control with 5000 dpi, 100 IPS, 20G and 3 on-the-fly DPI settings, a feature that allows you to change your DPI settings in the heartbeat of the action. You will never miss your target when you play your favorite first-person shooting game. This mouse is also built to last. Although the mouse is all made from plastic, it's also very lightweight thanks to used materials. It offers an extended grip for thumb support, and according to the Dell, the used Omron switches should be reliable enough to survive 10 million clicks. Apart from that, the mouse has 9 programmable buttons that offers you various ways how to customize your keyboard shortcuts and macros. Because it's Alienware series, it offers Alien FX lightning effects, which should enhance your gaming experience with dynamic RGB lighting system that you can customize inside Alienware Software Center. As for the sensor, the mouse uses optical sensor instead of laser sensors, which provides more accurate movements when you use this mouse on various surfaces. It has also 1000 Hz 1 millisecond polling rate, and it weighs only 120 grams. I also noticed that this mouse has buttons on the right side really low and really close to your thumb. So it can happen that when you move quickly enough to the right, you might mistakenly press those buttons. The whole body is made from plastic, but this is a compromise between being lightweight and having a durable build quality. I think mouses are consumer products that eventually you will want to upgrade every 3 or 4 years. As for the cable, unfortunately it is not a tight cable that you find on more expensive, more premium mouses, but it is long enough so if you have your PC case under the table, then you won't need additional USB hub to connect your mouse. Design wise, I'm not a gamer, so I'm a little bit biased. I like how this mouse is ergonomic, which fits my hand very easily, and I like the colors. What might be disturbing, not for gamers, but for me, is RGB backlight that can interrupt my focus. The mouse is also quieter than other that I have used. Just listen to this. Thanks to optical sensor, I can use the mouse on various surfaces, even the dirty ones. It behaves well both on a wooden table and on the paper surface as well. As for the software, if you install Dell Alienware Center, then you have the options to customize the RGB backlight, the DPI sensors, and you can program macros and keyboard shortcuts with all of the 9 buttons that are on the mouse. So to wrap it all, this mouse is, for its price, very fast, durable mouse that can withstand extensive gaming. I'm not a gamer, so in my opinion, if you are a gamer, definitely you want an optical sensor, high DPI, high IPS and high refresh rate. You also want a light mouse that can give you comfortable ergonomics so your hand won't suffer from long-term playing, and all of these attributes this mouse has. What it doesn't have is a Bluetooth, the better materials, and less RGB. So if you got interested in this mouse, definitely check the newest model A558 series that have a little bit updated design, but this is almost the same. You can check them on the Amazon with the link in the description below. If you want to help this channel, definitely give this video a like, subscribe, and see you next time.